Hello and welcome to Learn English Easy and Fast. Today, we bring you an advanced level English story designed to challenge your language skills and spark your imagination. If you're ready to take your English to the next level, stay tuned. This is a story you won't want to miss. Let's jump into the story and start learning English together. The Lighthouse Keeper's Secret. At the edge of the world, where the sea kissed the sky, stood an ancient lighthouse battered by time and tempest. Its keeper, an enigmatic man named Elias, had tended the light for over 3 decades. His beard was flecked with salt, his eyes as grey and endless as the waves, and his presence was as constant as the beacon he guarded. Elias was a man of few words, yet the villagers spoke of him in hushed tones, spinning tales of a dark past. Some said he had been a sailor who betrayed his crew. Others whispered of a lost love whose ghost haunted the tower. Elias neither confirmed nor denied these rumors. His life was bound to the rhythms of the sea, the pull of the tide, the whistle of the wind, and the eternal rotation of the light. One stormy evening, a stranger arrived, a young woman named Clara, soaked to the bone and trembling. She had been shipwrecked. Her schooner dashed against the rocks. Elias found her at dawn, clinging to the jagged shore, her hands blooded but her spirit unbroken. As Clara recovered in the lighthouse, she grew curious about her taciturn host. The walls were lined with books, volumes of poetry, astronomy, and maps of the constellations. A battered violin sat in the corner, its strings as weathered as Elias himself. Yet what intrigued her most was a locked chest beneath his bed, bound with iron and etched with strange symbols. One night, as the storm raged outside, Clara confronted Elias. "What are you hiding in that chest?" she demanded. "You can't carry secrets forever, not when the sea reveals everything in time." Elias's face darkened, his hands tightening into fists. But then, as if the storm outside had stilled his own tempest, he relented. He unlocked the chest and lifted the lid. Inside was a journal, its pages filled with meticulous sketches of the night sky. Each entry bore the name of a ship and the date it had vanished. Elias explained that he was not merely a keeper of the lighthouse. He was a watcher of the stars, recording the celestial patterns that coincided with maritime disasters. "But why?" Clara asked, her voice barely above a whisper. "Because," Elias replied, "the sea has a memory, and the stars tell its story. If we understand them, we might one day prevent the tragedies they foretell." Clara stayed at the lighthouse, becoming Elias's unlikely apprentice. Together, they charted the heavens, unraveling mysteries written in starlight. And as the years passed, the villagers' stories about Elias began to change. He was no longer the man with a dark past, but the guardian of secrets that could save lives. Under the ever-watchful eye of the lighthouse, Clara and Elias forged a bond that transcended words, one that spoke of redemption, purpose, and the endless quest to illuminate the unknown.